today I am going to submit my task 1 of data science and business analysis intern at Spark Foundation. I have chosen task 5, that is exploratory data analysis of Indian Premier League. In this task, I have been provided with a data set of all the matches that have been taken place in the span of few years and the huge amount of data of players and the winning teams and losing teams data is provided. So as a sport analyst, I have to find the most successful teams, players and the factors that contribute for their winning or losing. So basically what we mean by exploratory data analysis, in this we usually visualize the data that is provided in a huge amount in a way that is easy to understand and analyze. So first of all, the first step is that we have to import the modules pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn. Second step is that the data set that is provided to us, we have to import that data to pandas data frames. So I have imported first data set, that is match data, and also imported the second data set that is in my C directory. So I have uploaded. And the third step is that we do data preparation and cleaning. In this step, we will allot all the information from the match data set that is provided to us, and this is the complete description that we get using .describe function, and in this we get all the details of minimum 25%, 50%, 75% maximum score made in any session, and winning by runs and win by wickets. So observation is that .csv file has data of IPL matches starting from the season 2000 and 2019. The biggest margin of victory for the team batting first is 146 runs. So here you can see, as we get in the max, 146 runs is a win by runs and it is a maximum, and win by wickets it is 10. The biggest victory of team batting second is by 10 wickets. So next step is that we will allot all the columns that are provided to us. So these all are the columns. For each column which is having the unique value, this is the data set that is we generated. So we get the data set that is having 18 columns. Now observing the data set, we found that for the column name umpire 3, we are having some nan values, and this is insignificant in this analysis. So we will drop these values. It is imperative to know that the count of nan values for each column before we proceed further. So we have all generated the nan values. We found that for umpire 3 it is maximum, that is 637. So we will drop these values, as values of umpire 3 is not significant for us. So I have dropped this. Next step is that we have another data set, deliveries, and we will find all the information about it also. Here we are provided with the team names: Mumbai Indians, Kolkata Knight Riders, Royal Challengers Bangalore. So I will be replacing the full names of IPL teams by their short names so that we can analyze the data easily. So we are all done with data cleaning and data preparation. Next step is exploratory data analysis. So what we mean by EDA, we put some approach to analyze data and summarize their main characteristics. So I have divided my project into 5 analyses. In the first, I have to import all the libraries that I need. Imported Seaborn. This is basically used to have all the plots, and in this various type of plots can be made, that bar plots, histogram plots, and other type of plots in which all different plots can be sorted out. So I have imported all the libraries. So first analysis, That is the first task I will perform in this project, is that I have to find the team with the most number of wins per session. Each IPL session has a maximum number of winning per season. So we will find which team has won maximum season. So we will first load the data from match dataset, and we will analyze the dataset for getting details of the team with the most winning in each session. So the number of wins is a discrete value, hence we will plot a bar chart. And the bar chart is plotted with the help of Seaborn library. So in this Seaborn library, I have been plotting with the help of bar plots, where I have been taking team in y-axis, where we represent different teams and their winnings, number of wins that are made. So if you currently observe this data, you will find that the Mumbai Indians MI has made the maximum number of winning in per session. So we have observed that the Mumbai Indian has secured most win in 4 sessions. Most win in 4 sessions. These are the 4 sessions, and here is a year-wise color separation of them. So this is the first analysis. And the second analysis is that we have to find the venue that hosted the maximum number of matches. We have to find the dataset of different venues from the IPL match dataset, and we will count them. And the venue that is where the most number of matches are played, and we will find that. So plotting similarly with the help of library bar plot. So I observed that the Eden Garden is having the maximum number of matches that are played there. So this is a venue where the maximum number of IPL match are played. And the second is Wankhede Stadium and the Chenesway Stadium. So this is a complete venue wise detail of all the complex and stadiums. In the third analysis, I have to find the most successful IPL team. There are many teams, and with the help of bulk data that is provided to us, we will gather the information of the team with the most successful, that is winning. So most successful teams that stood in first 13 ranks, we have find them. So also we have plotted the same for our analysis. So because the plots that we plot usually with the help of this library SNS get easier to represent analysts. So Mumbai Indian is a team with the maximum number of victories of IPL teams, and other teams have been consecutively CSK, KKR, RCB and other teams. So we have observed that Mumbai Indian is the most successful team. And the next analysis is most valuable player. You all know that the winning of any team depends on its players, and the player that is having the most contribution is going to provide the victory to the team. So we have all analyzed the data of different players and also analyzed the data of wins made by the teams, and found that this is a list of top 10 players who have been the most successful, where the Chris Gale is one among them. And in this we will find that many Indian players are also in the team of most successful players. So Chris Gale is a player who won the most play of match award, and hence is the most valuable player. 6 Indian players have been figured out in this top 10 list also. And this is the last analysis. This analysis is the team that won the most number of toes. It has been seen that the team that won the most number of toes has also won the match. So we will analyze that what are the factors that are responsible, and this is the analysis that I have been performing for this task. So I have been found that Mumbai Indian is a team that have won the toss also, and at respective also winning the match. So how IPL team fared in toss? We have been plotting this data also in bar plots. So observe that the Mumbai Indian has won the most toss in IPL history. All the top teams in IPL are successful in winning the toss as well. So this is the end of my task. Thank you for being patient listeners, and please review how is my project. Thank you so much.